Brandy here. Welcome to Best Burgers in the Burg, presented by Santa Fe Car Wash. Today I'm going to be eating 3 burgers: Home Team Grill, Cheeburger, and Vivify. But first, a word from our sponsor.
As a mother of 4, it's hard for me to keep the car tight. That's why I come to Santa Fe Car Wash. Well, my car's all nice and clean. Time to take it back home to the kids.
We're at Vivify on the rooftop, and I ordered the Viv. It has bacon, caramelized onions, fontina cheese, and lettuce and pickles. Next, we'll be heading to Cheeburger. We're at Cheeburger today, and I love this place. I love that they have all the different options to choose from. Today I kept it simple with lettuce, cheddar cheese, 2 onion rings, and barbecue sauce. We're at our final stop, Home Team Grill, and I'm stuffed, but I'm gonna make it through and eat this last burger because it looks delicious. We have the Havoc Burger, and it has grilled mushrooms, a sriracha relish, grilled onions, bacon, and cheddar cheese, of course. It looks amazing. Thanks for joining us, and make sure you guys check out our sponsors, Santa Fe Car Wash, and I'm gonna finish this burger.